Minecraft? Yes, I know. You guys are, you play Minecraft? Yes, I do. This is it, Minecraft. I think it's sort of really laggy pretty bad. I deleted that server earlier. I don't know why it's still here. But yeah. Does it still do that? Yeah, it still does it. Fuck. Oh, egg. Wait, there's a thing that'll pop on the screen. Anyway. Yeah, there you go. There you go. I can, but there you go. There you go. That's what this big freak. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo it. There's F5 mode. No, I do it. Oh, there's F5 mode, really? Yeah, I have to build 8. I don't want to put the description and I don't want to put the link in the description yet, because, well, it's really hard to do. If you see those giant green penises, that's what my cousin made. Yeah. Is all my things. Okay, I'm gonna show you my Clash of Clans real quick. I think I'm gonna do episodes, I don't know. And I'm gonna wait for this reload to load. There you go. Ooh, plus 8. Oh crap, I got enemy rated. Again, every 10 minutes. I can't go like this or else it's gonna fucking bug out. Sorry. I'm gonna try to edit that. Swear it out. But, yeah. Here's my base so far, I guess. Let's go attack while I'm recording. Yes, I know. No, you're gonna get it. Enemy rated. I know. That's part of the whole game. Before you attack and they attack back or something. You never know unless you don't try. Okay, just be honest. This guy can take out all my troops. Wait, let's see if they have a clan. Okay, there you go. Cover all my barbarians. All on that. And then I put my giants. So put that away. See if they take it down. They did. There. Go my nerd. Yeah! Or they're attacking. They're attacking. Okay. Let's tell me to attack that. Stuff on the other. Okay, let's attack. Let's see. I put in some troops there. I'm gonna get some elixir. Yeah. Some of the gold. Give me some of the gold. Yeah, I like the crazy gold. Oh, I got silver. Yeah. For gold. I think I'm gonna live stream later. But I'm gonna go to bed later. And by then I'll get to see you in the morning. But right now, and it'll be bright later. Yes. There. I don't know what to fucking do. I know. Should fill it on. And I can talk to people. I'm gonna say recording. Yeah. I'm gonna turn my type of this. Right. Okay. Okay, guys. Right. I'm gonna try not to mess this up. Oh, yeah, beautiness, recording, yeah, funky, I'm funky, yeah, funky, I'm funky, yeah, I'm funky, I'm recording all these guys too. Oh. I'm going to practically do thing. Can't like pull my hair for something and take charging. Use a big clip line. What I'm doing right now. You fucking beep. I just did that because I don't want to say spoken. Yeah, I didn't unlock anything yet. Just get ready. Go build those. No. Just wait. I know I'm going to be waited, so. Right. 4. I know it's probably like, holy shit, it's late in the hell. Should not have done it. 10. Oh shit, 4. There we go. Oh, yeah. I'll have a pen. I just heard that. Okay. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you. I'll show you Super Mario and other games tomorrow. So, yeah. See you guys. And bye-bye.